Hello fellow crafters and paper artisans, it's Chandra from Stockton Stuff. I'm here doing a video response for the Stuff It Box Bag collab with Poet Spice. And this month I did something for October that was not Halloween. It's actually Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And I did the flip box that you have probably seen on YouTube, and I will link the tutorial in the description. So my lid is a tonic classic cardstock with the texture. This trim is from AliExpress. It's adhesive. I wanted to keep it monotone because I felt like that was a lot going on there with the glitter and the breast cancer awareness ribbons. And so the box opens and it just flaps down, and I did the envelope with bling breast cancer awareness, and you've probably seen that sticker at Dollar Tree. I use my pink AliExpress Velcro. Geesh, oh peesh. And I just put a journaling card, and this was a printout online, and I just backed it on some white cardstock with one of my dies, and I put a magnet strip on the back, and just giving an opportunity for the giver of this box, which is not going to be me, it's actually going to someone else to give to their friends. And then I used some just some ephemera from the Fashionista line. I made just a little cover, and I stamped Strong Life. I didn't want to pop anything up because if people wanted to use it in their purse, I didn't want anything getting caught on anything popped up. So I just used a sticker and stamped Strong Life. And this is the Jot sticky note pad. And this was double-sided. I have 3 different kinds of breast cancer awareness. Now, because my breast cancer awareness, this one was not double-sided, this is actually matted, and so the cardstock that I use is 110 pound from Joann's. It is that printed heavyweight that they have. So I did it upside down so that the white was on the outside, and then I just matted my breast cancer awareness cardstock on there. I did this is a stack that I got from Tuesday Morning, and I don't even know what color it is. It's just like, I think it's an AC Moore closeout paper, but I like that shimmer. I actually bought it to make some different cards, so you'll probably see those again. And I wrapped some in this same paper as the notepad. I wrapped some Hershey Nuggets, and I just used some glitter and shiny paper from different pads that I had. This is actually a stack from AliExpress, and this is from a 6x6 pad that I think I got at Tuesday Morning. I made a button. This was also just a printout, and I have a bunch of pink ink pens with the breast cancer. I don't even know if you can see that little ribbon on there. So I put that in there, and I'm probably going to, I am going to make some 3x3 cards, and I may put some other different candies in there as well. They're pretty much the same, I think, except for the decorations. I made 2. I actually had an order for 2 breast cancer awareness gifts. This one I used stickers and just put October 2020. It was just some stickers in my stash. Again, some ephemera from that set, and everything inside is pretty much the same except different print on the button, think pink, and I put a piece of bling on both of those. And then this one this is literally a scrap from my box, my scrap box, and I used the little breast cancer sticker on both of those, and this is that paper again, and that's the same there. So flip box, it was actually easy to make. Actually, I like it. It's lots of room though, so I feel like I need to add something else. I may actually just package that in a clear bag, just so it's not bumping around in there. I don't particularly care for that, so I may package it so that it's nice and neat. But there are my requested gifts from a repeat customer that's looking for some breast cancer awareness. I did a ton of Halloween gift boxes today, but you guys have already seen all my gift boxes. I just made some more and finished them out and filled them with candy. So have a great October, and thanks for watching.